Yes, YouTube, what's going on? This is Redline Revs. Today we're going to be doing an oil filter change on a Mark 1 Seat Leon Cupra R 1.8T. It's going to be pretty much this procedure for all the 1.8Ts. First things first, jack the car up safely, axle stands, as well as jack. Let's have a look under here. That's right, get that off, a sump plug. Nice. Did you catch the plug or is it in there?
Yeah, plug away.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Leave that to just drain out. We don't even have enough gloves today, man. Let me give you that one glove that I had on.
Rag or tissue, sir.
Yeah. And also underneath the car, right at the front, you've got your oil filter, which is right there. And to remove the oil filter, we're going to be using one of these. That's a oil filter removal lock for your ratchet. And that's the oil filter loose from that key. Remove the pan here to be able to catch that drip. Here it comes. You got it, G.
I've got it. Right.
Obviously just try to keep it upright as you bring it down, because if you tip it, it will drop more oil out. You can tip it into the can when you get it down. He's got it off here. Drop it into the can if you want to drop it. There you go, you got it. Good work. So that's the oil there that we drained in the old oil filter. So this is the best oil for the VW, Seat, Audi and Skoda 1.8T engines. This is Quantum Platinum 5W40 fully synthetic. And that really is just the best stuff that you can put in there. This is VW dealer grade oil. It's the stuff that VW would put in the engine, and it's just the best thing that you can use for these 1.8Ts. We've also got here a genuine VW 1.8T oil filter, and we've also got a VW 1.8T sump plug. Now you can get all of this as a service kit. That's the Redline Revs 1.8T engine oil change service kit. I'm going to put a link in the description of the video for where you can order that, and I'll ship that out to you through a courier with next working day delivery, so you'll get that in a matter of a day or two. So do check that out, make sure you order yours. That's a 5 litre bottle of Quantum Platinum 5W40 that you get with it. These engines take about 4.5 litres of oil, so you'll have half a litre left of this bottle for your top-ups in between oil changes. And yeah, so that's a special deal that I'm putting out for all of my subscribers, and make sure you check that out. I'll put the details in the video description on where you can order that. That's it right there, the Redline Revs VW 1.8T oil change kit. VW sump plug right there. New sump plug goes in. Always do stuff by hand first to make sure you're not cross threading or anything like that. VW oil filter, see what you get. There it is. Yeah.
Because there's over 4.5 and half of it's
that's right, man. Just put a little bit of oil in there. It's not going to do any harm. A little bit of oil. I don't know, man. I like to prime it and get it on around the seal, innit?
Yeah,
that's the important
yeah,
part.
you have to do that.
Get the oil around the seal. Nice new fresh engine oil. And there's a bit of oil in the filter there as well. Everything's hard when you've got hands covered in oil, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't really need to use the key to secure them in. You can just hand tighten them, and that's fine. So just keep going as much as you can with your hands. Give it a bit of elbow. Get it nice and tight with your hands. And that's all it should need. And then, like a pro, use a towel or something like this. Give yourself a bit more leverage. Nice and hand tight. That's all you need. So we've got the new sump plug back on, and we have the new oil filter on as well. Now we're just ready to pour some oil in. So like I said, this Quantum Platinum VW oil 5W40 fully synthetic is the best for these engines, and that's what you get, a 5 litre bottle as part of the Red Lion Revs oil change kit for the 1.8T. Comes with a sump plug as well, and also the genuine VW oil filter, which we've just got on the car. So let's get this oil in.
On the point, bro.
Yeah, but once you turn it on and
Turn it on,
circulate
then it'll be
through the system,
less.
it will go down.
Let me top it up then. So
Let me just put it on the circulator first. What do you reckon? Okay, so we've just had the engine running for a second, let the oil circulate in there, see what level we're at now.
top off.
Like it's nothing. Is that what it's gone down to? But that's it, like a, what, 4 litres of oil we put in there? And it's showing in here on the thing like it's not, got nothing on the dipstick. But you know what, the end is just half a litre, so we don't want to overfill it either.
Yeah. Because already in the engine, but I'm not sure something it's fully in there.
Yeah.
It's fine. We just put this all in and that'll be enough.
Yeah.
Because then you.
Even half of that, I would say, not all of it. In the bottle here. Yeah, a bit more.
Need the hot water.
Yeah, that's half a litre left.
On the max.
Now,
On the maximum.
get that on. Now let's run the engine more.